Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a DIY, which is also do-it-yourself, upcycling clothes. So recently I have a lot of clothes in my closet that I needed to get rid of, and some things I did not want to donate or throw away, so I wanted to try to upcycle them into new things that I could wear. So I have 3 different things that I'm going to show you how to upcycle. A skirt into a high and low, a dress into a shorter dress, and then a longer skirt into a shorter skirt. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first one I have for you is making a long skirt into a high and low skirt. Basically what I did was I tried on the skirt, and then I just took a Sharpie, since I tried crayons and stuff and didn't really mark on there. So I just took a Sharpie and kind of marked where I wanted it to be on my body so it wasn't too short. And then I took it off, and then I placed it on the floor to make sure it was nice and flat. And then you have to do the front kind of folded, so the side seams should be basically the front now, just so you make a clean cut down your skirt. So as you can see, the line in the middle that's separating the fabric, that is the seam on the side. So I just put the sides together, and then the front is in the front where I'll be marking the pattern. So I'll just marking a little thing, trying to make it asymmetrical, and then after that, just cut it out. And then after I cut it out, I just opened it up and just made sure the seams on the edges were all smooth. And then this is the final product of what the skirt looks like. And then the next one that I have is making a longer dress into a shorter one. This dress was just at a really weird length for me because it wasn't long to my ankles. It was just about, I don't know, mid-calf, and it was very weird. So I just wanted to cut off all this extra lace that's on this dress. So I just took a Sharpie again and kind of marked off where I wanted it to be. And then after I cut it, I actually realized that the dress underneath was longer than the lace, but I don't care, it was fine to me because it was still the same color, so it didn't really matter. But once you mark it off, then you're just going to cut it again and then try it on once more. And the last one I have for you is making another long skirt just into a shorter one. This is a really nice pattern, and I just wanted to make it into a shorter skirt. So I just cut off where I liked the skirt, like where it would be a good length on my legs. So I just cut it out and then tried it on again. I also took the excess of the skirt that I cut off and then just put it around my waist, wrapped it, and then put it around my neck. And I mean, if you want to keep it to make an outfit like this, you can. I just wanted to see what else I could do with it just to make it, I don't know, more, I don't know, a little better, I guess. So I tucked the excess fabric in the back, and then there's just like an opening in the front. But it does cover everything. But I mean, if you want to wear this out to like a club or something, this is like a cute outfit that you could wear, but only if you are risky and want to wear something like this. But if not, then I would just keep the skirt. Happy New Year, guys! It is officially 2018. I cannot believe it. Another year has come and gone. It's already